that was rapid intensification. We're talking rapid weakening.
Yes,
now.
You got it. You got it. Ding, ding, ding. Yes, rapid weakening, but not until the weekend. This is still a very strong and powerful storm, Sam. Still a Category 2 storm, and it's taking up a lot of real estate here over the western Atlantic, where we've got several watches and warnings now counting for those states along the eastern seaboard. So very dangerous. Obviously, we've been talking a lot about the mandatory evacuations along the Carolinas, Delmarva Peninsula going to be impacted. This is a system that did weaken from that Category 5 strength over the weekend, and over the past couple of days it's been weakening, not because the waters are cooler, but there's some high shear in the area and it's ingesting drier air. Tropical cyclones do not feed off of dry air. They feed off of very warm, moist, juicy conditions, and we may see this strengthening a bit more before eventually accelerates and rapidly weakens as we head into the weekend. That is when it starts to encounter the cooler waters there off the coast of Nova Scotia. Meanwhile, some very warm waters here in the Atlantic, and we've got a couple of tropical waves that we are going to be watching. The one that we're most concerned about, if you will, has medium odds, 60% chance for development over the next 7 days. And more of these model runs are suggesting that this is not going to be a Gulf storm. This looks like this is going to kind of follow the same trajectory as Erin, as there's that Bermuda high that's sitting over the middle part of the Atlantic, and this is going to steer it away from the northern Caribbean islands here. It may get close enough to brush the islands, potentially a tropical storm watch, maybe even a warning, but for now it does not look like it is an imminent threat to at least the northwestern Caribbean or the Gulf. Back here at home in the Gulf, it's nice and quiet this morning. A few spotty showers and thunderstorms offshore. Otherwise, inland areas starting off with some clouds. Temperature readings this morning in the upper 70s. Good morning, College Station. Our friends waking up. College Station starting off dry. Temperatures a little bit lower in the low 70s. You'll notice that the shower chances do climb today, 60%, a 70% chance tomorrow as a summer cool front progresses southward. Now, that 60% chance of showers and storms today does not address the intensity of the thunderstorms, and the reason why we've got an ABC13 weather watch is for the intensity of these thunderstorms, bringing the potential for some gusty winds and the potential as well for some small hail. Similar to the setup that we saw Monday night. I know many of you sent some videos to myself as well as the chiefs of the hailstorms that moved through the area. We've got a similar setup. So be prepared that some of those thunderstorms not only containing some strong gusts, but also some hail. Now, that hail will not be forming until late in the afternoon into the evening hours. So we've got plenty of fuel as temperatures climb today around the century mark. So right now they're timing those thunderstorms to push toward Interstate 10, closer toward 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, early evening hours, and then they slowly start to dissipate once we lose the daytime heat. So by 9, 10 o'clock or so, those thunderstorms should start to collapse. They're going to start weakening and then raining itself out as it pushes closer to the coastline. As far as temperatures, in the mid to upper 70s currently. This afternoon, as I mentioned, here's the fuel, mid to upper 90s, some low 100s. Air quality as well is what we're going to be monitoring in addition to those thunderstorms. Good to moderate right now, but you'll notice that our levels today may hit the 3rd level, which is unhealthy for sensitive groups because of the current weather ingredients. We're going to have sunshine, we're going to have calm winds, and again, this is all before those thunderstorms start moving through. Those thunderstorms moving through will help mix out the atmosphere later on today. That summer cool front draws in the showers and thunderstorms. Most likely we'll get a few of those showers and storms popping up north of Interstate 10 Thursday morning and then progress southward as the front dives southward during the afternoon and evening hours on Thursday. So just be prepared. Keep the umbrella handy. Once we get into the weekend, get ready. It's going to be a hot one, mid to upper 90s for the highs, with those rain chances lowering below 20%. All right, time now 5:22. You're watching ABC 13. The ladies will be back on the other side of the break.